Dad, I messed it up.
You messed up your Rubik's Cube and you want me to fix it again. Okay, so you're a parent and you've been tasked with the age-old Rubik's Cube conundrum on how to fix these things. There's a couple of different ways you can fix it. We're going to take the legal method first, and then we will show you an illegal method later on. Now, the first thing we're going to want to do is go to a website called Rubix.com. This is going to help you a lot. I'm going to screen record this and lay this over the top. So you've made your way to Rubix.com. This is a Rubik's Cube solver, and it's very, very handy. So what you need to do is take a look at your Rubik's Cube, select your color here, and then select all the boxes that are appropriate to make it work. Now, if you can't find the other side, you can just click and drag. You can click these buttons here to spin it around to find the other sides. So just work it one side at a time. You'll eventually figure out all the colors you need. You just click it up the top here, click the color you want, click up here, and it will toggle the colors so you can keep going with that same color till they're all correct. You don't need to click up the top a second time. We'll work our way through all the sides and we'll be back. You'll find at this point you can then go solve down in the bottom here and click solve, and it will do a checksum and make sure that it's got all the right number of colors. If you've made a mistake, it'll let you know here. So we go to the next bit and we hit the solve button. So let's go back. So what it tells us to do here is to take the bottom one, we make sure it's facing that way, and it says twist the bottom one round until we see our two oranges here. Now we are just going to step through all these different motions one bit at a time till we get it right. So we rotate you around till we have that, and we're going to keep doing this all the way through. So I'm going to time lapse this, and you'll see what happens next. And we're done. How about that? Didn't take too long at all. Took me about 2 minutes.
12 seconds later.
Oh, why is it so hard to... I give up. Dad, I still can't fix it.
Really? Alright, I'm going to have to get drastic this time. Okay, now we teach you the illegal method. You rotate this top by 45 degrees, and then you need something like a spudger tool like this. I wouldn't recommend a screwdriver, you can do some damage. You pry this corner one up and out, and it will pop out. You can see the corner there, and then after that all the other pieces go together. Now we'll time lapse what we do after that.
Oh.
So you're happy we got it fixed, eh?
Yep.
Alright, no worries. We'll see you in the next video then.